My name's Ross Webb. I'm from Australia. I've been around Vanuatu for quite a long time. We're running a train in thinking course at the moment. Train in thinking means sharpen your brain, train your thinking, whatever you like to say. The idea of the course is really to open up people's thinking, to get them thinking in a way that will be helpful for them to talk about life, to understand what's going on around them, basically critical thinking skills, giving them critical thinking skills. The real aim of it in the long run is to help people read the Bible, which they do a lot, but not really reading with understanding. So we want to help them to be able to read the Bible, read the scriptures in a way that they can get what it means. So we go through all sorts of things, all sorts of exercises, from doing jigsaw puzzles to looking at pictures and trying to work out what the implications of the pictures are, then looking at text and trying to get to the meaning of what the text says, really short texts, going through long passages of scripture, all sorts of things, just to help people get their brains moving and working in ways that they probably traditionally haven't. Another thing that we teach in this course is a Bible overview, trying to get to the basic story of the Bible, starting with creation and going to new creation, and seeing it as a plan that God had in his mind to save people. So we teach this through icons, graphic representation of each of the components of the long story. It really has been giving people an ability to grasp the whole picture of Scripture and then work out where to fit in the various Sunday school stories or various things that they've done. We've had over Christmas, just privileged to witness one guy using this Bible overview and using it to put the focus on Christmas, on Jesus being born. He said people for the first time have worked out that Jesus didn't pop out of history, but actually it was something that was planned from before history and didn't just pop out there as some sort of story, but it had purpose and reason. And a big component of the course is helping people to work out how to ask questions and what sort of relevant questions to ask. Then we've seen other people who have really started understanding the scriptures. I think really it's given them skills to be able to not just get short-circuited by words that would normally trigger different things in their brains, but to work through a passage right to the very end and then work out what it really means. And I think that has really helped people. In fact, they've said that it's really helped them. In fact, some guys say, the pastor in our church is in a dangerous position now because I'm really listening to him.